we're doing a big party for Halloween again. I scared so many boys last year, they wouldn't even look me in the eye. I just walked around school like, what?
Sorry, sweets. We couldn't top last year, so we decided to take a break. But feel free to keep scaring those boys away until you have a nice, solid career and you know you can take care of yourself.
At least if it's less scary, Mom won't get sick on the carpet this year.
It was late and someone left a vampire dummy on the couch. I suffer from fear puke. It's a very real problem.
I know it's real. I posted this video of it online.
Sorry, Bennett.
500,000 hits.
My man.
You know, you're not just laughing at my fear puke. You're laughing at the entire FP community. We are doctors, lawyers, and scientists who all smell like yesterday's lunch.
So, kids, any ideas on what we should do with this big boy?
Ooh, I know. Let's carve a mommy pumpkin.
Oh, look, it's Mom.
Dog with a Blog on Disney Channel.